So by now, you probably feel like you've been drinking from a fire hose. And you're wondering, how will you ever remember and apply everything you've been learning when you return home? Well, we understand. That's why we've created the Global Leadership Summit Expanded Team Edition, featuring full-length speaker talks on DVD or USB and process tools to help you take a few key next steps. This is one way for you and your team to view the summit talks when you return home. But here's where it gets better. The Team Edition now includes videos from this year's summit speakers organized by topic in short, easily digestible segments. So now, for example, when your team wants to review and process that segment on how to execute ideas, you just go right there. Finally, we know many of you may not even know where your DVD player is, or what one is for that matter. That's why we've made all this content available via on-demand streaming. To find out more information and to order your copy today, check out the Summit app, your resource center, or willowcreek.com/summit resources. And for those of you in Canada, visit growingleadership.com.